Now, Acting Managing Director for Community-Based Rehabilitation Jamaica, Sandra Long-White, says she's delighted that the organization has been chosen as the beneficiary for this year's Good Samaritan 5K Health Run Walk. The non-government organization provides services for over 700 children with disabilities and their families and are located in the parishes of St. Catherine, Manchester, St. Elizabeth and St. James.
This year, the funds will go towards providing a specialized bus. One of the things that we do is to take the services into the communities to the children who cannot come out and access these services. So what this will enable us to do is to continue that program, because we had a bus, it's no longer working, so we were able to reach those inner communities within those parishes to take the services so those children can benefit and be able to develop, to be able to have a better quality of life.
Over 1,000 runners and walkers took part in the 10th staging of the event recently, with Kemar Leslie winning the men's 5K run in 16 minutes and 43 seconds, ahead of O'Dane Davidson 16 minutes and 49 seconds, Joe Maurice Gilman 17 minutes and 12 seconds.
This is a good initiative, and I've been supporting this Good Samaritan run for about 5 to 6 years, and I came first about 4 times. I think there's a slight change, but yesterday I kind of map it out in my brain. Sometimes the turning, but it is good. I think it's a good route. You have officials on the route, which is okay.
The women's section was won by Tanya Bussi in 21 minutes and 45 seconds, ahead of Jodianne Walker in 23 minutes and 41 seconds, and Dandy Williams, who finished third in 23 minutes and 42 seconds.
I really like the course. Really nice loop and well organized, and good vibes, good energy, so it was fantastic.
Senior pastor of the Andrews Memorial District of Seventh-day Adventist Churches, Omar Oliphant, and Health Ministries Director of Jamaica Union Conference of Seventh-day Adventist Churches, Dudley Hosin, say the initiative continues to grow.
We really want to thank our sponsors. We are appreciative of the collaboration, the sponsorship, ensuring that this could be successfully staged in the 10th year. And we are asking individuals to support us. We go forward. Next year will be bigger. Next year will be greater.
We're happy to see the support from church members, community members, and we know that folks will be healthier because they have participated in this event, which helps one to embrace a healthy lifestyle, to be too fit to quit, to have energy and synergy as they move forward in this life.